A 2025 Volvo XC40. I'm gonna show you where the cabin filter is and how to pull it out. It's gonna be located behind the glove box. Okay, there's a little compartment down here. To get to it, we need to lower the glove box door. We're gonna remove these straps. All I gotta do is pull up on them, and they disconnect. There's one here. There's one on this side here too. Okay, just pull them on them, and the glove box will come down low enough. Okay, so there's another door right here, and to disconnect, to open it up, you're gonna have to push down on these tabs, and when you push down, you're gonna pull towards you. Same on both sides. Okay. And if you notice, there's these holes here, and these holes are if these clips wear out. Okay, you can actually put a screw in here to hold this closed. But go ahead and pull this up like this, and here's your filter. You just pull it right out like this. I don't have a new filter right now because we're just basically checking this one, and then I'm gonna probably recommend one to customer. Okay, so if we look, this one is airflow down, and this one is kind of crappy looking. I'm definitely gonna recommend one. If you need one, check the description box below. I have an Amazon link if you want to get one from Amazon there for the right correct one. Okay, or if you need the part number for a Volvo one, here you go. And when you get your new one, you just slide it back in here nice and carefully, and just put the doors back, and then put these little seat belts back on, and you're all done.